Here's a use for storytelling in Insight Maker that might not be quite so obvious. If you have a model that you have developed and you want to mess around with the parameters, but you want to remember where they were all set at without having to write them down and reset them, if you go to Share, create storytelling, and simply enable storytelling, and then apply that. If you then come down here and say View Story, there is no actual story, there's nothing there, but now you can change all these sliders, and you can run the simulations and do as you wish with it, and look at the way that it influences the diagrams. And when you're finished, simply exit the story and it will reset everything back to the way it was. So it's a quick reset. You can do the same thing in terms of viewing the story and making some changes to the model that you want to test, but you're not sure that they're actually going to work out, so that you can make the changes while storytelling is on. And then once you have figured out whether or not you want to keep them, well, you're just messing around with it, so you can just exit the story and it will put everything back to the way it was. It's a lot easier than actually cloning the model and working with a clone and then bringing it back. So you could go into storytelling mode, make a change and test it, and if it looks all right, then you can exit storytelling and actually implement that change. So that's just a nice use for storytelling that is sort of unexpected. So we'll see you in another tips and tricks video soon, hopefully.